Deepseek, Deepseek, Deepseek. Everyone's talking about it. Some say it made them rich overnight, while big companies are losing millions because of it. So I thought, let's find out what's really going on. I personally tested Deepseek for 7 days, and the results were way beyond my expectations. In today's video, I will show you step by step how I started earning money with Deepseek. No investment, no experience, just Wi-Fi, and 2 hours a day. Ready to start making money? Let's jump right in. Step 1. Find a high-paying offer. First, we need a unique offer that has a large audience but low competition. I use CPA Lead, a platform where you can find high-paying offers easily. Just go to the website, click Start Earning Now, and create your account. Then set up your payment method, PayPal, bank, or whatever suits you best. Once your account is ready, head to the dashboard. This is where the game begins. Now here's the secret step. Open Google Trends and search for top trending games or niches. Target the ones with high traffic and low competition. That's where the gold is. Once we have got our solid offer, we need traffic, and that's where Deepseek works its magic. Way 1. Viral traffic from Threads. Threads, yes, the platform most people underestimate. But listen, Threads gets 170 million plus visits every month. Low competition, high organic reach, perfect combo. First, create your Instagram account and link it to Threads. Then open Deepseek and type this prompt. Create a viral Threads brand name, bio, and profile idea for niche. Deepseek will instantly generate your brand name, bio, and even an image prompt. Now go to Leonardo AI and paste that prompt. It'll generate a cool, professional one-to-one logo for you. Next, set up your Threads account with your logo, bio, and CPA offer link. Pro tip, don't use spammy-looking URLs. Use a clean domain to avoid bans. Now for the content. Use the second prompt from the PDF in Deepseek to generate viral thread posts. Post 3 times a day, mix motivational, offer-related, and fun posts. You will start seeing results within a week. Way 2. Medium blog SEO hack. Medium, an underrated goldmine for passive income. Why? Because it gets over 100 million monthly visitors and blogs rank easily on Google. Create your Medium account, use your brand name, and pick 2-3 related topics. Now, open Deepseek and use this prompt. Write a viral blog post for niche with an engaging intro, valuable content, and a strong call to action. Deepseek will write a professional, human-like blog post that does not sound AI generated. Copy it and paste it into Medium. Naturally insert your CPA link, for example. Check out this amazing offer here. Add a few images to make the post look more professional. That's it, your blog is ready and has a high chance of ranking on Google. Post a new article every 2-3 days and watch the traffic grow. Way 3. Pinterest autopilot strategy. Pinterest, my favorite source of traffic. Almost 50% of my sales come from here. Create your Pinterest account. Then go to Pin Generator, an AI tool that creates 30+ pins in under a minute. Paste your blog link, click Generate Pins, and done. AI will automatically create creative, clickable pins. Customize the colors and design, add your brand name and logo, then schedule them. You have just built a month-long autopilot content system. Traffic will flow daily without manual posting. Bonus tip, if you want to grow even faster, use these Deepseek prompts. Write 5 viral tweet ideas for my niche. Generate catchy Pinterest titles and descriptions. Create a daily posting calendar for Threads and Medium. This way, your AI literally becomes your personal social media manager for free. So this was my complete 3-step system that I used to start my online earning journey with Deepseek. In just 7 days, the results completely shocked me, and the best part? It's 100% legal, safe, and beginner-friendly. If you liked the video, then hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you are the first to watch the next video.